SteraMist actually was invented by the US government in response to the weaponized anthrax attacks. So in the early 2000s, when anthrax happened, they went into buildings and used VHP and chlorine dioxide to decontaminate the buildings. When they did that, they destroyed the buildings. DARPA, the Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency, was assigned with a mission to find a safer and better way to decontaminate normal buildings, much like the one we're in right now, and not destroy them. When they did that, they used cold plasma technology. This cold plasma activated technology actually sprays a very, very fine mist. That very, very fine mist that's sprayed through the cold plasma creates something that's much more lethal than any standard chemical kill. So the best part with SteraMist is that it's a low concentration hydrogen peroxide. As I said just a moment ago about the high concentration technologies used in these buildings to remediate weaponized anthrax, SteraMist uses only 7.8% hydrogen peroxide. That's a little more than twice what's in your medicine cabinet. So SteraMist is made for normal buildings. Throughout the COVID-19 pandemic, we actually use SteraMist in daycares, hospitals, houses, and other areas to remediate dangerous pathogens that were making us sick. That 7.8% also ships and stores non-hazardous. So from a clean room perspective in pharmaceuticals, you can use SteraMist in your facility without the hazardous safety concerns of spilling it on yourself or going to the hospital and being exposed to it. SteraMist uses 7.8% and it does the same job as the high toxic chemicals that we used to use in the past. SteraMist is actually being built into facilities like Pfizer and Merck and Avid and Sanofi and other buildings who want to automate the decontamination process. And again, using only 7.8% and our cold plasma activation, we could take that automated process, which used to take hours in some cases, and get a very quick kill of the pathogens, injected and automated and validated, removing the human error. One of the most important things is to keep the sterility of a facility intact. So everything that comes into a facility really should be decontaminated. Now, currently, a lot of facilities are using noxious chemicals that they manually spray and wipe. And by spraying and wiping these items coming into the facility, it's subject to the human error. This human error that takes place has to be eliminated to maintain sterility. The outbreaks that we see are normally caused by a human bringing something into the facility. So by putting SteraMist in place at the barrier point, you have a more efficacious advantage to maintain the sterility in your facility. So if you want to find out more about us, you can visit SteraMist.com and learn about the cold plasma activation technology. We are the only ones with the cold plasma activation. The cold plasma increases this exponentially, and I encourage you to visit the website and learn more about us.